Hey there, today we're going to look at how to fix Yahoo Mail not sending and receiving emails easily. So let's get started. First, go to the Yahoo login page. Over here, enter your email and click Next. Then enter your password and click Next again. After that, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Then test your internet by opening another website. If your connection is fine, check your spam and trash folders. Look for any missing emails that may have been sorted there. Next, click on the gear icon and go to More Settings. Then click on Filters from the left panel. Over here, review and adjust or remove any filters if needed. Now check your mailbox storage and check the storage meter. If it's full, delete old emails or upgrade your storage. If you're still facing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Then click Delete Browsing Data. Select All Time and check the boxes for cookies and cached images. After that, click to delete the data. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.